everybody. Happy National Craft Month. It's Cindy A. Lewis with you today. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today's crafty video really is a haul from Temu. This is a haul that they actually approached me and asked me to, if I would be willing to share this information with you, and so I am. I'm not actually getting paid, but I didn't have to pay for these items. So they let me choose about 5 items. I think that's what I got, or 6. And so I'm going to show you what I picked up. And then maybe you're interested in those. There's a 30% off for new users discount below. Also, all the items that I purchased are linked below if you're interested in those as well. So I'm excited to share this haul with you. This is haul number 3 for me. So I'm going to open this package. I did order one thing that's a little bit large, and it's more for organizing my craft items than anything. Let me see exactly what it's called. I do have it linked, but it's called a 5-layer removable table side storage basket. So it's got different baskets in it, and that it is in here. So exciting to get that. I thought about storing some of the supplies that I use for crafting in it, because it's rollable, then I can move it around the room. And so what a blessing, right? All right, so this is it. Show you right here, and it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basket. Here is the little trays, I guess. So here's the little trays. Pretty cool. They're pretty deep also, and looks like it's going to be pretty easy to put together. Wow, how nice. And it's got the wheels right here, and so, and then all your little connecting things and all that kind of stuff. So very cool. I did pick it up for around 30. It was, well, I didn't have to pay for it, but it was like $31. So pretty cool. All the goodies. Okay. So let's see what else I got while I'm making all this racket. Okay, so I dare not put any bloopers on this reel, but you know that there always are some. Anyway, this would be around $31, $31.99 if you're interested. Let's see what else I got. I'm really excited about all the little goodies. I enjoy shopping and getting a good deal. So from what I've seen so far, I've gotten really good deals. All right, so I did pick up some journaling stencils. So it's this package here. These, you get 10 pieces for $3.99. So was it Nettie that said she's going to be doing bullet journaling? So you might be interested in some of these stencils, Nettie. And the stencils were $3.99. So this has all the months and the calendar, and then some fun little stencils, your charts, how fun, and then just some to-dos and some straight lines. You know, it's hard to make those straight lines sometimes. Then here are your little icons, I guess you want to call, little arrows and everything. Also your calendar. So if you're interested in that, you get 10, and it's a pretty nice deal for $3.99. Okay, then I also got a 3-in-1 craft punch, and this is it. I haven't tried it before, and it will punch different, let me show you the different types of corners for it, and you can see them there in the back. So let me just get a piece of paper. So I have this paper right here. You can see it's all square. So we'll just see if it'll fit in there. Oh yeah, so it punches out that one. And then this one, pretty decorative. And then the other one, like that. So it works really nice. No trouble punching at all. The punch was a 3-in-1 craft paper corner cutter for $4.39. 3-in-1. And I got the purple one. Nice. Okay, very cool. All right, next I got a 54-piece classic card game mini poker cards. So what I did was they let me get 2, and these are little miniature cards. They were 49 cents, and I guess you can punch them out. So if you look really close, they're all like real cards. So I just thought they were fun and pretty unique, actually. So got those, 49 cents. So this one is, again, you've seen the ones that I got before that have the little fastener around the middle, or the little band, and they come with these fun papers, and of course you can use them in all your crafting, and they're just the perfect size for the small pages. And then this one is the flowered one. Pretty nice. And I'll show you this one. And this one's pretty. It's got all kinds of flowers on it. And these are those. So pretty. And these will be fun to use in our junk journals. So anyway, really nice, fun. I enjoyed being able to get these items and offer them to you with a discount code. And don't miss that, link it below. There's so many items on Temu that are under $10. There's so many different kinds of items if you're not just interested in crafts. So I do love Temu. I'm having fun looking at their site. I ordered another order before this came up, and it's coming soon, next week, I think. And I ordered some stuff for our kids and kids store, and then some other things that aren't necessarily related to crafting, but I wanted to check out kind of what they were. So anyway, I hope you'll check out Temu. This is just a quick little video. I'm going to go ahead and put this little stand together so that I can show you what it is, this little storage side table thing. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and watch for our picture. But I'd like to just invite you real quickly to go to the March 1st video and enter to win one of my giveaways of those 12 prizes in the back that are on my National Craft Month giveaway for March 2023. So I hope you will do that. The words you need to enter under the March 1st video, which is linked below, our craft giveaway. 2 words. Just go to that March 1st video to enter. All right, I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you. It was fairly easy to put together. There are some instructions. They're not super detailed. They're more by picture, which a lot of people like anyway. But they have these little brackets that affix to it to hold the little pieces together. Some of them are kind of hard to get in, which is probably a good thing, just because it'll hold it better. So there's one, I think I need some more strength with my hubby, but really easy, and it's got little wheels, and so I can't wait to put, I think I'll put some papers and ribbon and stuff like that in it just to use beside my table. So awesome. If you were using it as a bedside table, it has a little, like a tissue, or you could put wipes in there or something. So anyway, really cool. Hope you enjoyed the Temu order, and check it out. It's really got some good prices. So anyway, thanks for watching, and happy National Craft Month.